In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under types of occupation. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, in which of the following set of occupation can an industrial worker be found? We have extraction, commerce, construction, acquiring and insurance, manufacturing, extraction and banking, manufacturing, extraction and construction. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is manufacturing, extraction and construction. Alright, next question is this one. It says mining and acquiring is classified as, we have extractive industry, manufacturing industry, constructive industry, services. So the right answer to this question is option A, which is extractive industry. Next question. One of the products of an extractive industry is iron ore. Option C. Next question. The type of occupation that a broker belongs to is, we have commercial, extraction, construction, manufacturing. The right answer is option A, commercial. Okay. Next question. Say the factors that compel people to engage in different types of occupation include or except, we have advertising, natural resources, skill and training, climatic difference. The right answer is option A, which is an exception, advertising. Okay, next question is one. It says occupation are classified into, we have trade, aid to trade and services, extraction, construction and manufacturing, production, labor and economy, industry, commerce and services. So guys, the right answer to this question is that occupation are classified into industry, commerce and services. Okay, very important. Option D is the right answer to this question. Let's look at the question in this one. It says the service of textile worker are an example of, so this is an example of a manufacturing service. Okay, next question is this one. It says the art of soap making is an example of, well, construction occupation, tertiary occupation, secondary occupation, primary occupation. So right answer to this question is option C, secondary occupation. Next question. Mr. Jones, who lives in the riverine community of River State, makes her living through crabbing and fishing. This type of occupation is, we have extractive service, commercial, manufacturing. Since what Mrs. Jones, what not Mr. does is crabbing and fishing, so this is an example of an extractive industry. Okay, so that is for this question. The next question is this one. It says a worker who processes rice is engaged in manufacturing activity. Okay, next question. The assembly of manufactured products into forms usable by human is classified as, we have construction in occupation, industrial occupation, extraction occupation, manufacturing occupation. So assembly of manufactured products into forms usable by human is classified as construction occupation. Okay, option A. Next question. Occupation are classified as, I think this is a question. Right answer is option B, industry, commerce and services. Okay, next question in this one says an example of extractive occupation is mining. Option A. Next question. Example of commercial occupation are all except, we have goldsmiths, bankers, insurance, trader. The right answer is option A, goldsmith is an exception. Next question. Given this, the persons engaged in primary production are, so the fishermen here involved, gardener involved. So right answer is using I and IV. Option C. Okay, next question. This one. The three main classification occupations are, this is a repeated question as well. Right answer is option A, industry, commerce and services. Next question. A doctor who attends a patient at home after his official duty is a community development worker, an indirect service worker, a direct service worker, a direct and an indirect service worker. The right answer is option C, a direct service worker. Next question. An oil exploration company is engaged in extractive occupation. Option B. Okay, next question. Extractive industry may also be denominated as primary industry. Option B. The right answer. Last question for end this video. This one, it says the factors that compel people to engage in different types of occupation include except. This is a good question. The exception is advertising option C. So guys, this basically can do problems involving types of occupation for JAMB commerce of practice with about 18 to 22 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button so you're getting paid information that help you to say it's exam like a JAMB and other exams I'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.